VIA character strengths, and today's one is humour. Each week I try to focus on a different character strength and think about how in the next 7 days I can use that strength more. So humour is a particularly good one. We're going to look at the definition, the essence, the dimensions, and so on. So starting off, it's part of the virtue transcendence. Definition. It's about liking to laugh, bringing smiles to other people. It's about seeing the light side, making jokes, not necessarily telling jokes. The essence, it's offering pleasure, laughter to others. The dimensions, it's about playfulness. Some questions you can ask yourself to use humour more. So what situations promote your sense of humour? What strengths do you use to be sensitive to the context to express humour at the right time? How do you initiate playfulness with others, and how do others initiate it with you? Some interventions that you can use. So each day for the next 7 days, write down the three funniest things that you experienced or did, and explain why these things happened. How did it all come about? Cultivate a playful attitude and sense of fun. Consider situations when you're serious, where you're playful, and try to spend more time here. Reflect on the benefits of adopting a playful outlook on life. Spend time playing with young children. Do at least one fun thing every day. Remind yourself to be playful. The golden mean, you've got it in the middle between overly serious on one side and the other extreme is being giddiness, where they're just finding everything funny and nothing's funny. So it correlates with these 5 areas: social intelligence, zest, kindness, hope, and love. Some actions that you can use to incorporate humour more often. So find the fun and the lighter side in most situations. Strike a balance between taking things seriously enough and not taking them too seriously. 2. Learn a new joke 3 times a week. Tell them to friends. Note how laughing improves the mood of the group. Be friends with someone who has a great sense of humour. Watch how they use this strength to deal with bad news, with difficult decisions. Go out with friends at least once a month, bowling, hiking, biking, etc. And note how the group dynamic improves when you laugh together. And number 5, send funny emails to friends rather than forwarding those boring chain letters. Does anyone still do that? Share humour from your own life. And some information about humour. It's connected with a number of health benefits, and it's one of the strengths most connected with pleasure and positive emotion, and it's one of the 5 strengths most associated with life satisfaction and happiness. So that's this week's character strength, all about humour. Next week it's honesty, integrity, and tomorrow's blog is back to Mondays is always on movement. So hope you enjoyed this one. See you tomorrow.